Welcome to today's video. Thanks for tuning in. It's Jeff here. Today in this video, I want to talk about how to become more efficient. You're going to learn about how I do things, the products I'm using to make you more time efficient. And when you become more time efficient, things still get done the right way in less time. So whatever I'm talking about today will be in the description below for the product links. Take a look at that when you have a moment. And in the comments below, let me know, what is your biggest challenge when you're detailing a car and how that is really affecting you in terms of time. Now, here's the product. Let's jump right into it. And it's gonna be right here. It's this VEVOR rolling cart. This rolling cart has saved me so much time when I'm working on vehicles because I'm walking less. If this makes any sense to you, if you think about it, the way I used to work is I have a bench over there, right, a worktop that I could place things that I want on it and then, drop it off there, pick it up, walk on this side of the car, do what I need to do. Instead of putting it on the ground, I walk back over there. So I'm walking back and forth way too many times. And that's just a waste of time and becoming less efficient. So what this does, this cart, is that it helps me become very efficient because I'm bringing that worktop with me. So I'm gonna pull out so you can see it more or see it better. You know what? Let me just pan down the camera just a little bit so you can see better. Okay, so here's the cart and it is nice and slim. You can see right over there, I have it in between, parked in storage between my chest here and my air compressor. By the way, don't forget to like and subscribe because I'm gonna be talking more about my air compressor, my pressure washer, all the other things I use in my garage to make it time efficient, and really more comfortable. Okay, so back to the cart. You can see here, it is super slim and it's so easy to unfold. You just pull the Velcro, right? And you just let it expand out. And that's it. There you go. That's it. It's easy as that. And the same way to unfold it, or I'm sorry, to fold it, is you're gonna pull on this handle here, pull it up, squish the Velcro back down, and put it back where it belongs, okay? So this is the product that I never knew I needed it. So I think this video is gonna show you that it's just so much easier when you have a rolling cart, whatever it is for you, to make you better at what you're doing. Now, I prefer the fold version because I have somewhere to put it. If you have a 3-car garage or whatever size garage you have, and you can store a fully flat or opened up cart, that's great, good for you. You can see that I've used it quite a bit. It's not that heavy. It's stained. It's got marks all over it from throwing things on it. Oh, by the way, you can lock it in just by pushing the handle down, and that locks it from unfolding. I've had this for probably going on 2 years now, so it's performed really, really well. It's a good size for me, and I'll show you what I put on this. So let me go get just a couple bottles. Hold on one second. And you can just put them on top, right? Or you can hang them on the edge like this when you're working, or, oh, if you can see that, you can see when you're working. Sometimes you'll need to hang it over the handle. And just so you know, the handle is rubberized here and here on both sides. So you have something to grab even if your hands are a little damp. Now, as far as the other tiers, there's plenty of room for other products. Usually on the bottom, I don't use it for much, except maybe I'll use it for my kneeling pad. So my kneeling pad does fit in there. And also I kind of use it as a way to differentiate my microfiber towels. So my clean ones are on top, and then as I use them up and don't want to use them anymore, they're ready for the laundry, they're gonna go on the very bottom. That way they're separated. It does have locking casters. It rolls very easily. And beyond bottles and things like that, your bottles and brushes, your microfiber towels. Here's the other thing that I use a lot, and that's when I'm doing interiors. So with interiors, I will add on my steamer. So let's just take this out. I'm probably gonna make a mess, but it does fit my Wagner steamer on one side, and when I'm doing lightweight extraction, my Bissell Pro fits on it. So you can see here, it fits just fine, side by side on the top of the cart. Sorry for the noise. And when they're on the cart versus on the ground, it's just easier on your back because you're not constantly going up, down, up, down, up, down. It's right at your waist level and easier to get to. So you can see that. Very easy to use. I happen to like it here. Also, when I'm not doing heavy duty stuff on top of this, I'll use my, I'm not gonna go get it right now, it's too far away, is my Adams 3.5 gallon bucket. And I can park it right here, right next to my steamer or right next to my extractor with this Bissell extractor. And it'll do right here. And because it's only 3.5 gallons, it stops right about here and it's easy to get in and out of the product or tools. So this is a great product. Now, this comes in different colors. By VEVOR, it just comes in this black with the gray tubing. Other manufacturers might make it in red or any other colors. I'll link them below too. I just happen to like just the black and gray. It's just simpler for me, but I'll link other colors I found that are very similar, if not the same, and the only difference is color. So check out the description and all the links will be in there. Now, this has been great. Highly, highly recommend you try one of these carts. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Description will have everything I've spoken about. Don't forget to like and subscribe, help my channel out. I'll be talking about other products I have in my garage, my airline reel over there, kind of things I've done before. Check out any recommended videos that YouTube says you might want to see here or here. And yeah, I do have a video about my hex lights on the wall if you haven't seen that yet, so check that out. Thanks for watching, and I guess I'll just see you on the next video.